Hi everyone, my name is Marat, and I want to start my channel LabTalk with scientists from the different countries, from the different fields, about their life, about their research. So, hi everyone. Today we meet Marta Saldat. She's a biotechnologist. She's getting a PhD and she's working at the University of Nikola Tesla in Toruń. So, hi everyone.
Not Nicolaus Tesla.
Huh?
Nicolaus Copernicus. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. Today we meet Marta Saldat. She's a biotechnologist from the University of
Nicolaus Copernicus.
in Toruń. Actually, we can continue.
I guess you already.
So, what is your PhD topic and what is your research field?
I'm working on microalgae, and we are trying to extract as much lipids as possible from algae, and we are trying also to extract the genes and transfer them to higher plants, the genes responsible for lipid metabolism, to make higher plants even more productive in terms of lipids. So imagine if you are making an oil from the oil plants, so you are taking the seeds and all the green biomass is being left behind on the field. So imagine the, let's say, double lipidic plant, so you are taking oils from the seeds, and then if the plant is transgenic, you could be able also to extract lipids from the green biomass. So we are trying to see if it's even possible. So we are extracting the genes from the genes responsible for lipid metabolism from algae, transfer them to higher plants, and see if we have any expression in the leaves, etc.
Okay, it sounds super interesting. And also, my next question is about you. How did you choose this field? How do you become the researcher?
Okay.
And where you're from, especially?
I'm from Poland, originally from Toruń, so my hometown is Toruń, exactly the city from the university. And my career starts a little by an accident, because it started in the pandemic time, and I decided I need to quit my previous job, and then I realized, what should I do next? And then by a very big accident, I got a job offer from the university as a PhD student. And then I said, okay, why not? Let's try it. And to be honest, it was one of the best decisions in my life. Because
that's cool.
Yes,
That's
I ended up
nice
in the laboratory with international students. I ended up in the laboratory with very cool bosses. And the topic I am working on is very interesting. So really, it was by an accident, and it was one of the best decisions in my life. Really.
That's so cool. That's so awesome. And so, you're working with the plants. How is it working with the plants? I mean, they are living, and you cannot do anything, because if something goes ruined, it's so hard to do with that.
Yeah, we are starting with an algae. They are quite fragile, so you need to take care of them. And you need to be careful about all the contamination, etc. And if you are lucky and the culture is good, then you can move on to plants. And it's quite demanding, and you have to be really careful because of the contamination, as I mentioned. And you need to water them from time to time. You can sing to them, but please don't tell anybody that I'm singing to the plants. But if something is stupid and it works, that's not stupid. No, I mean it's much easier to work on plants than to work on animal cells. For example, because of all the ethical problems. So you don't need to ask about all the ethical committees, etc. Plus, they are. Most of the genomes are already sequenced, so the sequences are known. You can search on the databases, you can work on bioinformatics. So I do like it. I really do like it.
That's so cool. And so, what is the hardest and easiest thing in your work? You know, I know this is like a common question in all interviews, but anyway, yeah.
I'm very big fan of the, let's say, wet lab work. So you work on the bench, you mix all the PCR components and everything. So this was the easiest part for me, at least mentally. But now I'm struggling with writing my PhD thesis because I hope I'm on the last year of the PhD study. So this is the hardest part for me because I'm a very big fan of doing experiments. I'm not a very big fan of analyzing them and
writing the results. I mean, writing the papers.
Exactly. Yes, I was lucky to got the results, and now I am very lucky to write the thesis.
Yeah, that I understand. I got the same troubles.
Yeah.
Probably most of the PhD got the same troubles. I'm not sure that probably 10% of the PhD don't see this problem. I mean, writing the paper.
I hope I'm not the only one. But I really do like working on yeast. I really do like working on algae because they reproduce very fast. I had some problems and difficulties with the plants, with Arabidopsis, because it requires a bit longer time of reproduction and to grow the plants, etc. So it's like time demanding. And if you are under the pressure, under the time pressure,
Yeah,
and you know
yeah.
that time is, you know, the
Time
clock
is
is ticking
flying,
and
yeah.
the time's flying, yes. And you know, please grow faster.
Oh yeah, one more question. How did you find this microalgae? I mean, you can buy it in the store, or you can just take it from the river, or
No, they were ordered from the Algal Biocenter from United States. Yeah.
You can just
Yeah,
order it online,
you
order
can
it
order the
online.
very specific line of microalgae.
Oh, I didn't know about it. I just know like a Merck. You know, I'm a chemist, so I know where you can buy the chemical reactive. So I didn't know. It's cool information, especially for me.
Yeah. Also, if you are working on the plants, you can. We are working on the mutant line of Arabidopsis. It has an ability to synthesize all the lipids in the seeds, so you can also order from the not database, from the warehouse, not warehouse. You can order the specific seeds with the specific mutation, so you are.
Oh, with a specific mutation
Yeah,
also.
so- yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. So, what will be your advice for the next generation of the scientists? I mean, I'm not sure they will be seeing this video, but I hope so. They will, and probably you can give the advice because you get a great job. You're in a PhD. You are doing your science. I mean, at least it's a success for everyone. I mean, to do the PhD. Not every people got a PhD in entire world, and they got many people have this opportunity.
Mhm.
So I think you are really strong and cool woman that you got this PhD position, you know. And what is your advice for every young researchers?
Whoa. If you got a chance to go into science, please don't be afraid and just go for it, because it might be one of the best decisions of your life, or it might be also, of course, one of the worst decisions in your life. But if you don't try, you will never know. And don't be afraid. And please, if your supervisors have any advices to you, like note down everything you do, please do it, because they know what they are advising you. Yeah, follow their advices.
Yeah, that's a really nice advice, and I think that's finished. And I appreciate your involved to my a project. Yeah, and thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank
was
you.
so nice to speak with you, to have this dialogue, this interview.
Very international conversation, right?
I'm not sure that it's so exactly international, but I hope this channel will be grow like a higher and higher. Probably I want to involve all the scientists and get an interview with all the scientists in that world. But
stay tuned. Stay tuned.
yeah, and in the end we can say like a subscribe.
Subscribe, follow, and stay tuned.
Yeah, I will put the contacts of the Marta. If you're interested in anything, you can just free to write. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can left the Facebook or LinkedIn account link in the down. Just yeah.
See you.
See you. Bye.